So what if you could make money without selling anything? All you have to do is get a lead or a visitor to take action, whether it be filling out a form or signing up on a list or a push notification or taking a specific action. This is what we call CPA, and in short, CPA stands for cost per action. It simply means that you're going to get paid to get people to take actions. Now, CPA isn't a new business by any means, but it can be very tough, especially for newbies. In other words, generating profit from CPA offers isn't as simple as just setting up a traffic campaign, pointing it towards an offer with the hopes that it's going to convert. In fact, it's extremely hard unless you know what you're doing. Now, the sad truth is that many gurus oversell the dream of an easy business model. The reality is that you have to spend a good wad of cash until you find a winning campaign. But what if there was an easier way? Now there is, and it's not just another BS business model. This is an evolution of the CPA market, and it's what we call smart CPA offers. They convert really well, even for newbies dipping in their feet. So this is going to be a 8-part step-by-step video course where we're going to talk about this specific topic, how to profit from CPA networks without having to be a paid traffic pro. So here's a quick videos overview of what's inside this video course. We've got video number 1, which is the introduction, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of the concept of smart CPA offers. Video number 2 is the good and the bad. So we'll talk about the good of CPA networks and the bad of CPA networks and what you need to watch out for. And of course, from that point, video number 3, we'll talk about how to protect yourself. And of course, video number 4, we'll talk about how to increase your approval rate, because let's be honest, not every CPA network that you apply to, you're going to get accepted. But following these step-by-step process, you have a higher chance of getting approved. Now, there's no 100% guarantee, but it increases that percentage. And of course, video number 5, we'll talk about the evolution of CPA. Video number 6, we'll talk about CPA networks that buy your traffic. So number 6 is kind of a bonus in terms of monetization. And video number 7, we'll talk about traffic sources. Video number 8, we'll talk about pop ads traffic source. So go ahead and grab this course and learn how to profit from smart CPA offers.